The first DIY backpack, you guys, is going to be making a super cute backpack with these really awesome stickers that I've just collected over the years. And all you're going to do is just stick them on, and that's about it. It's super simple, but also really cute. And for the second DIY backpack, this one is super cool and minimalist, and I really like it. So all you guys are going to need is just a backpack that has these little tie thingies on these zippers. And what I'm doing is you can just use some paint or some nail polish, and you just can paint those a super cute color. So basically it's just like a black backpack with a pop of color on the zippers, and I think that this is super cool and minimalist, and if you guys like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. You can do this in all different colors. I did it in a rainbow of different colored nail polishes, and I think that it turned out so well, and I actually did some glitter on it as well at the end, and I think it looks super cute, so you guys should try this one. This DIY backpack is super easy but also super cute, and all you guys are going to need is just some pins. If you guys go to Hot Topic or Box Lunch or any of those places, they always have a bunch of pins, and these are super cute. If you guys saw the ones that I just showed on the screen a little bit ago. And literally all you guys have to do is just put these pins into your backpack, and literally it spices up any backpack. I used this one that I had before, but I think it looks so much cuter with the pins on it. And for the last DIY, long story short, I got a new phone recently, and I had a lot of trouble putting the videos of this DIY onto the computer, and then my phone started bugging out, and turns out it had problems the whole time, so I didn't have the footage of this DIY. But basically what you guys are going to need is just a plain backpack, and then you're going to outline little hexagons with some white paint, and then you're going to fill them in with any color that you want. And I made 3 little cute hexagons, and I think that they look super cute. Then after they're all done and dried, then you can add a little kawaii face and some accents on the sides. And that's about it. Oh, and the reason that I also didn't have an intro was because of my phone as well. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, I'm sorry that I didn't have an intro, as you guys probably heard already. But if you guys like that new style of editing and things like that I'm doing, then make sure to leave in the comments below, and I'll see you guys probably before next week. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll be back soon. Bye!